Hi, hello, welcome on board GATE Aerospace Engineering channel. This video is aimed to serve as a guide providing the instructions to access this channel. Let's get started. Now we are on the GATE Aerospace Engineering channel page. I recommend you to go to the playlists tab and choose the subject of your preparation. Currently there is only one subject available over here and other subjects will be coming soon. So here is a playlist of flight mechanics. The videos in the playlist are already arranged in an ordered manner according to the GATE syllabus, and it is frequently updated. Every topic will have a well explained topic wise solutions video. Before getting into this, let's see the features of a video. Choose the video of your interest. So let me choose the fourth video. So the topic of this video is airplane configurations
Hi.
and various parts. I have currently paused the audio and I am muting it for the recording purpose. Let's get into know about the video features. Once you start playing a video, adjust the playback speed according to your comfort, as each person will have their own capability of grasping the things. So here is the option. It is under settings. Here is the option for playback setting, and there are several speeds available. So basically, the video is recorded in normal speed, and if you're okay with it, just keep it as it is. So if you are a fast learner, you can speed up the video to 1.75 times the speed of it. So here you can see that once the video is played, the time is running faster than usual. And the subtitles are provided for your ease. Some videos may not be having these subtitles, so if you are not able to follow up with the audio, you can use the subtitles to know the content which is being taught. The video is better viewed at, with at above 360 pixels. So I recommend you to use the pixel range between 360 to 720p according to your data rate. So for the previous lessons access, the video cards are available on the right top corner. So let me provide you an example of a video card. Most of you might be knowing it. So video card will be uh, displayed over here for about 5 seconds. So this is the video card, and if you click it, it will be showing the previous videos, the playlist of it. And here, this is the previous lessons link provided as a video card, and this is the link to the playlist. The link to the subject specific playlist is provided at the end of the video. Let me skip to the end of the video for getting you an clear uh, objective of what is the link and how does it look. It's just loading. So here is a link for the complete playlist. So once you click the link, it will take you to the playlist, and it is specific to the subject, and it is provided at the end of each video. The next and most important suggestion is that you can or you should adjust the system audio or increase the audio according to your comfort, as the default video audio may be low as I am using a normal earphone. So adjust your system's audio, either it may be a phone or a desktop or a tablet. Please increase the volume of your tablet in order to listen to the lessons. And I recommend using an earphone in order to get better grasp of the audio. Let me get into the description features. Every video is associated with a particular description. So here I am reloading the video, the previous video. Let's catch up with one single example. So This is the description portion of the section, and it is going to follow a particular template or a pattern. The first portion of the description covers the topics covered in the video and other details such as book reference and other stuff. Next, you will be having a link to the previous lesson. So once you click the link, I'm clicking or opening it in a new tab. So the link to the previous lesson is provided over here. You can see this is the previous lesson and it is following the GATE syllabus. So the link to the previous lesson is available over here. You can directly view it from here. Similarly, you will be having access to the next lesson's YouTube link. For the complete playlist on flight mechanics, you can also use this link. This is the same link which is provided at the end of the video. The next portion will be having the PPT. So for downloading the PPT presentation from SlideShare, you can use the following link. So once I am opening it in a new tab, so this will be basically having the slides or the total complete PPT used in this video. You can either download it from here or use it as it is over here. So there are 11 slides which are covered in this video, and these slides are provided over here. You can download or share the PPT, and it's for common use from the links provided over here. The notes and further preparation resources are provided in the bottom portion of the description. So here we are getting it in the bottom portion of the description, and it is provided through a non-profit blog, The Age of Aerospace. So once I click the link, it is going to take me to a tab of Age of Aerospace blog where the notes and preparation resources for GATE Aerospace is provided in a particular specified tab. So here we can see that this tab is dedicated to GATE Aerospace Engineering, and there are several contents which are following the GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus, and it can help you prepare for GATE Aerospace Engineering. So here we can see that it is provided in the form of embedded Google documents at first engineering mathematics. Currently, it isn't updated. Still, it will be updated once the topics are covered. Next is aerodynamics. Similarly, flight mechanics, and the flight mechanics portion of the syllabus or the content is updated. So here you can see the hyperlinks or the index to it. So the topics are covered from about quarter portion of the topics are covered. That is from under the category basics. So atmosphere, similarly classification of aircraft and so on and so forth. Airplane performance is currently being updated. So these are hyperlinked. So once you click the link, you are being taken to the particular portion of the document directly. And we can see that here is the syllabus, and this is the official GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus for flight mechanics. So the lessons and the notes are going to follow these particular syllabus. So here we have a hyperlink for each particular thing, and this is the table of content, and we can see that the notes and references are having a specific topic, and once you click the topic, such as I want to go to the book reference and the topic of atmosphere properties and standard atmosphere model. So once I click to it, I have we can see that it is taking me to the book reference tab where the specific page numbers and the book and the edition of it is provided for users reference. Similarly, you can access all the notes and preparation resources. So once I get down to further topics, you can see space dynamics, aircraft structures, aircraft propulsion, general aptitude. This means all of the GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus, including the general aptitude. It will be updated, so keep in touch and check frequently. The further tab is that online support and resources tab. It is one of the important portion of the document because it provides a one-stop solution for all of the resources available online. So here you can see the complete GATE Aerospace courses which are available for free, and all the content is for free and not for any profit. So it is shared with an helping intention for the learners to prepare. So here we can see that the complete aerospace courses are available here. The tools for GATE Aerospace, and each link is provided as a separate document. So we are having the, so these are hyperlinked. So once we can see the YouTube channels providing these, and the unacademy courses which are offering GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus, and these YouTube channels will help you learn and get a better perspective for GATE Aerospace Engineering. And I have to make a note that we aren't any kind of promoters, or we are not promoting any kind of channels over here. It is totally shared within sharing intention. So here we are also having the stories and support section, where you can see that the stories of several GATE Aerospace preparing aspirants, and who are currently preparing for GATE Aerospace Engineering have shared their content. You can copy paste the link, or similar kind of work can be done. So there may be some kind of issue with the Cura set, and it is a temporary issue. So let's see. Let's try opening the link in a new tab. Okay, it's redirecting me to the session, and here is Cura answer, or Cura post by Vishal Sethi. He is one of the preparing students, and he has shared his experience. So what was your gate failure story? So this is a very inspiring story for preparing for gate aerospace, and he has truly shared all of his perspective. This session is totally dedicated for gate aerospace, and you can find all the resources over here. Similarly, this blog also has other tabs which will help you keep updated regarding the advancements and concepts of various fields related to aeronautics and space. So here we can see there are posts related to aeronautics, RAM and air turbine, HAL, HF Marut, and similar kind of approach, and similarly space related articles. So this isn't quite related to gate aerospace. Still, it will help you to keep updated about the field of aerospace. Now let's get into the other features of the channel. So we will get back to the home page. So this is Gate Aerospace Engineering channel page, and there are various sections which you can surf through to know about. And as I said, this is a non-profit work, and it also needs help and support. By help and support, I don't specifically mean asking you to subscribe and like or dislike the channel and videos. Do it if you actually think it's worth it. By help and support, I mean please share your preparation materials and strategy if you have any for helping others prepare. You can share through comments. Thank you. Let's crack Gate Aerospace Engineering.